Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Miloš and I would like to present our project. The name of the project is Creating Motion Capture Sign Language Dataset. Let me start with project overview. Project is of the type of contributing resources.elg. We work in team of 4 people, me, Luděk Miller, Pavel Jedlička and Zdeněk Krňol. The duration of the project was from April 2021 to February 2022. Motivation of the project is the sign language itself. It is the natural means of the community, of deaf community, and they have limited access to information due to limited possibility to translate large volumes of data of information or provide fast access to actual new information. In order to create tools for automatic translation, automatic processing of sign language, we need large databases for automatic systems. So current available motion capture databases are of the scale of 1 hour. Our aim was to collect a relatively larger database. The aim is to create motion capture dataset for Czech sign language, and the primary purpose will be for sign language synthesis and for machine translation. Here you can see one animation example that is taken from our colleagues, since we in this project do not concentrate on the avatar itself. The properties of the data set is, as I said already, Czech sign language. It was collected with cooperation with Institute of Special Education Studies of Palacký University in Olomouc, who are experts on linguistics of sign language. We collected the sign language in 2 topics, weather forecast and zoo tour, to provide limited vocabulary and rather provide more repetitions of the sign than larger topics. We use only native sign language speakers and collect speakers of a variety of age and genders. We collected as both dictionary items or separated signs and continuous signing. Within the weather forecast, we collected 36 individual forecasts. We have vocabulary diversity and large sample of numbers. At the same time, limited vocabulary. In zoo tour, we have 20 different animals. We use structure, description, or repetition of similar signs, and large sample of letters of finger spelling. So as a summary, we have data set that contains multiple instances of the same signs in different grammar contexts. So you can see that for frequent signs, we have more than 20 repetitions, which is very useful for the further project. We used motion capture system called Vicon. It is standard in computer animation for movies and computer games. Subject is equipped with retroreflective passive markers, and we record the movement of these markers of several cameras simultaneously, and the system computes then 3D positions of the markers. The system provides the position error roughly 1 millimeter or even better. As a result, the system provides skeleton structure that can be directly used for animation or processed for other purposes. Here are some details about recording session. I would say that important is that we collect hand shape, body movements, and facial movements separately by different camera setups, and that we, for longer takes, for longer recordings, we split them to parts that are shorter than 1 minute. We also provide data post-processing of the 2 types of cleaning and annotation of the data. Cleaning of the data is done because there are occlusions or missing parts caused by occlusions, perspective, or marker alignment, etc. So these data are processed manually, and missing data parts are repaired or manually filled to provide a smooth animation. And in the part of annotation, we annotate both the beginning and ending of dictionary glosses, and we annotate also hand shape for left and right hands. As an output, we have data that consists of roughly 20 hours of post-processed and annotated motion capture data. collected from 5 different speakers. It's usable for sign language hand shapes, for sign language synthesis, and we also provide a tool for searching in the dataset. As a future work, we would like to work on sign language synthesis, analysis of grammar and machine translation, of signer differences analysis, and retargeting of sign language animation. That's all from me. Thank you for your attention.